a powerful security camera, the Reolink TrackMix series. Available in both Poe and Wi-Fi models, this camera packs a ton of features into a sleek design. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll break down the 5 key reasons why the Reolink TrackMix series might be the perfect security camera for your home or business. And hey, if you're interested in picking up your own Reolink TrackMix series camera, we've included a special link in the video description below that will take you straight to the AliExpress listing. Let's get started. Security cameras are only as good as the footage they capture, and the Reolink TrackMix series does not disappoint. With a high-resolution 8-megapixel sensor, this camera delivers stunning detail, allowing you to zoom in and see exactly what's happening on your property. Whether you're trying to identify a package thief or keeping an eye on your kids playing outside, the TrackMix series provides the clarity you need. Keeping a wide area under surveillance is crucial for security, and the Reolink TrackMix series excels in this area. Thanks to its 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt functionality, this camera offers a near-panoramic view of your surroundings. No need for multiple cameras. The TrackMix can see it all. Don't let darkness compromise your security. The Reolink TrackMix series boasts impressive night vision capabilities, with a range of up to 100 f using its infrared LEDs. But that's not all. This camera also features color night vision with built-in spotlights, allowing you to see everything in natural colors even at night. The Reolink TrackMix series isn't just a passive observer, it's an interactive security solution. With its two-way talk feature, you can communicate directly through the camera, warning off intruders or simply chatting with the delivery personnel. Plus, the built-in microphone allows you to record audio along with video footage, providing a more complete picture of events. We know security shouldn't be complicated. That's why the Reolink TrackMix series is designed for easy installation, whether you choose the Poe or Wi-Fi model. And no matter the weather, you can be confident your camera will stand strong. The TrackMix series is built to withstand the elements, with an IP65 weatherproof rating that protects it from dust, rain, and snow. Why the Reolink TrackMix series Poe and Wi-Fi camera might be the perfect security solution for you. With its crystal clear image quality, versatile viewing angles, superior night vision, two-way talk capabilities, and easy installation, the Reolink TrackMix series offers exceptional value. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-rich security camera, be sure to check out the Reolink TrackMix series. We've included a special link to the AliExpress listing in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews from Review Palace.